In this video, we listed the 5 best Mirror Dashcam that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. WOLFBOX G840S Dash Cam. The WOLFBOX G840S Mirror Dash Cam offers advanced features designed to enhance both safety and convenience while driving. Featuring a 4K UHD front camera and a 1080p rear camera, it provides detailed video capture. The 12-inch display integrates seamlessly into the rearview mirror, expanding visibility and reducing blind spots. Key features include a 170 degrees front lens and 140 degrees rear lens for comprehensive monitoring, superior night vision capabilities with WDR and HDR technology, and GPS tracking facilitated by an external antenna for real-time data display. The camera supports 24-hour parking monitoring and utilizes a USB-C power port for enhanced stability and performance. Additional functionalities include loop recording, G-sensor recording, and a sleek, compact design that blends well with any vehicle interior. Number 2. VIOFO A229 Plus Dash Cam. The VIOFO A229 Plus 2CH Dash Cam is a high-performance dual-channel camera designed for comprehensive vehicle surveillance. It features advanced Sony Starvis 2 image sensors in both front and rear cameras, offering superior dynamic range and light sensitivity for clear night recording with minimal noise and motion blur. The device supports dual-channel HDR recording at 1440p resolution, ensuring detailed and vibrant footage even in fast-moving scenarios. Connectivity options include Type-C for seamless data transfer, while built-in Wi-Fi and app control enable real-time video previewing, downloading, and sharing via a 5 GHz connection. The dashcam includes a GPS module for precise location and speed tracking, supporting multiple satellite positioning systems. Additional features like voice control, 24/7 parking mode options, and a compact, windshield-mountable design enhance its usability, making it an ideal choice for various vehicle types from cars to buses and trucks. Number 3. JOMISE 4K Mirror Dash Cam. The JOMISE G814 Dash Cam mirror offers comprehensive features tailored for enhanced vehicle surveillance and safety. It boasts a pull-out front camera that expands recording coverage by 30%, coupled with an 11-inch IPS full-touch screen displaying vivid 1920 by 480 resolution visuals. Utilizing Type-C connectivity, it ensures robustness and high-speed data transmission, avoiding common issues like black screens and restarts. The camera records in 4K for the front and 1080p for the rear, ensuring clear day and night footage, complemented by features like horizontal and vertical image flipping for versatile compatibility with various vehicle types. Additional functionalities include a 24-hour parking monitor activated by a G-sensor for impact-triggered recording, and GPS tracking for precise speed and location data logging, supported by a dedicated GPS player. With a focus on user satisfaction, JOMISE provides a 365-day after-sales service commitment, ensuring continuous support for optimal customer experience. Number 4. AZDOME PG17 4K Dash Cam. The AZDOME PG17 4K Wi-Fi rear view mirror camera is a comprehensive vehicle accessory designed for enhanced safety and convenience. Featuring both front and rear orientation, it caters to a variety of vehicle types including minivans, RVs, cars, UTVs, and trucks. Connectivity is facilitated through USB, complemented by built-in Wi-Fi for easy management and viewing of recordings via a dedicated app. Key features include a 12-inch touch screen, 1080p rear camera, and a wide 150-degree angle for both front and rear views, minimizing blind spots. Additional highlights comprise voice control capabilities, GPS tracking, superior night vision, loop recording with G-sensor collision detection, and a robust customer support framework. This model integrates seamlessly into daily driving routines, offering high-resolution video capture and essential safety features for modern drivers. Number 5. PRUVEEO Dash Cam. The PRUVEEO J20-4CH for channel mirror dashcam is designed for comprehensive vehicle surveillance, catering to minivans, buses, cars, and trucks. Its standout features include a 12-inch screen and 4-channel capability, capturing footage from front, left, right, rear, and inside views simultaneously. With a video capture resolution of 1080p across all channels, it ensures sharp images even at high speeds. The dashcam is equipped with GPS for precise location tracking and speed monitoring, essential for route logging and insurance claims. Enhanced night vision capabilities and loop recording ensure continuous monitoring and clear footage in all conditions. Installation is straightforward via rear-view mirror mount, with no battery for increased reliability in varying temperatures. Backed by PRUVEEO's 18-month warranty and 24/7 technical support, the J20-4CH offers robust features for comprehensive vehicle security and monitoring needs.